series of videos called CLUE, which stands for Children Looking Undercover for Energy, where we are exploring and doing fun activities with all the different forms of energy. And in today's video, we are focusing on mechanical energy. So let's get started. Now, mechanical energy for most people is the most identifiable form of energy. It's easy to identify because if something is moving, then it is mechanical energy. The mystery is, however, is that behind every motion of mechanical energy, there is another form of energy working alongside it. Think about a moving car. That moving car is moving, so it has mechanical energy. But what is making that car move? It's the gasoline that fuels the car, which is chemical energy at work, working alongside mechanical energy that causes the running car to move. So it's mechanical and chemical energy working together. Another example of this would be a sailboat, which is wind energy and mechanical energy, or a runner needs food, which is chemical energy also and mechanical energy, or a battery-powered toy uses batteries, which is a form of electricity. So it would be electrical energy working with mechanical energy to make that move as well. So we're going to explore that even further today in making our very own balloon rockets that is going to use wind energy and mechanical energy to make them move. So let's get started with today's activity. Okay, so let's start with what you're going to need for today's activity. For today's activity, what you're going to need is a balloon, of course, which is going to serve as your rocket. You are also going to need some tape, and you're going to need a paper or plastic straw that you're going to cut up into about 2 to 3 inch pieces. So you're just going to need one of those 2 to 3 inch pieces, and of course to do that you're going to need some scissors, and then you are also going to need some string. And for this activity you are going to need a decent amount of space to do it. So I'm going to be doing mine outside, and you're also going to need 2 chairs that you can string your string across, that your balloon is going to be able to run across. So I'm going to set that up outside and show you what I mean. Alrighty guys, so I'm outside here so you can see the setup for my activity. As you can see, I have 2 chairs that are a decent length apart, and in between my chairs I have strung my string, so it's tied on one end of my chair, and then I went ahead and I laced my ends of my straw so it is dangling on my string and can move back and forth. So there's my straw, and then I have tied the other end of my string to my other chair. So here is the setup of what it looks like, and now I'll show you what to do with the balloon. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to make the balloon part of your rocket. And how you're going to do that is you're going to go ahead and blow up your balloon, but don't tie it off. So go ahead and blow up your balloon, and I'll show you what to do next. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw that is strung in between your string and move it to one end of the chair. Then take your balloon and tape it to that straw. So I'll show you what it looks like up here too. So it should look something like this, where your balloon is taped to your straw, which is strung along the string, and have the end of your balloon that's not closed as close as you can to one end of your chair. So what you're going to do next is you're going to let the air of your balloon go and watch it run across your string, creating kind of the rocket. So here we go. Alright, so that was kind of a small demo of what you can do with this activity and project. Maybe test it out and see if you can move those chairs further apart and see how far you can get your rocket to go. Or maybe set this up so you have 2 rockets going at once and see if you can race them or something like that. Really just have fun with this activity and get creative with it. And once again, you are using your wind energy to fuel your rocket, which is your balloon. And once you release that air energy from your rocket, it's causing it to propel forward and create mechanical energy as well. Well, I hope you had fun with today's activity and now know more about mechanical energy and how it works with other forms of energy to create movement and motion, and have a fun and easy activity that you can do at home. Be sure to check out all of our other videos and activities that have to do with the other forms of energy, or for some more fun STEAM activities as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!